Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing y'all a 5-product makeup tutorial. This look is extremely easy and very affordable, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so since we're not wearing a lot of makeup, we want our skin to be glowing and smooth, so I'm doing a routine that's going to promote an even skin tone and a smooth base. First, I wash my face very gently with a clean exfoliating glove, and now I'm using vitamin E oil to shave any areas of my face with visible hair, mainly around my mouth. Gotta get my mustache. And this also helps to exfoliate the skin and even out your skin tone because it gets rid of the dark shadow that hair can cause. And guys, you don't have to follow the skincare routine. I'm kind of just emphasizing that it's important to take care of your skin, especially when you want to wear minimal makeup. If you're like, girl, where's the makeup? That's what I came for. Then please skip to this timestamp. That's where I'm going to be starting in. Now, after rinsing off the oil, I'm going in with a lip mask because we want our lips to be plump and juicy. And then after that, I'm going to be putting on a brightening face mask that has vitamin C, which is really good for brightening up your skin. So I'm just going to let these products sit on my face for about 10 minutes and remove them. And I got both of these products from Target. They were super affordable, probably like around $3. So I will link them down below. And after I remove them, I'm just going to jade roll the product into my skin. Jade rolling is good because it decreases inflammation, it gets your blood flowing, so it helps the face look less puffy, especially if you're doing this routine in the morning. And now I'm going in with my lip mask. You know, I just want to moisturize my lips. And then I'm using this eye mask because we want as little eye bags as possible since we're only using 5 products, especially if you are doing this routine in the morning and you just want to look more awake and healthy. I'm jade rolling the product into my skin, and then after that I'm going to just repeat that once I remove it and rub everything in. It's really good to rub the product in because you can still get all the benefits of the mask even once it's off of your skin. Now moving on to niacinamide to give our skin a smooth and poreless base. And then after this, I'm going to use this brightening shot. I got this from Target. It's like this tiny little thing, but it has ginger and vitamin C in it. So that's really good to decrease inflammation and brighten up your skin. So now I'm just using an eye cream to moisturize underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my moisturizer and put that all over my face. Also, don't forget to moisturize and put sunscreen on your neck, you guys, because that's very important. So now I'm going in with my Super Goop sunscreen and just putting that all over my face. Sunscreen is a necessity no matter what type of day it is. So luckily the Super Goop one is a primer for makeup, so you don't need an actual primer for today's look. Alright, so now for the makeup, the 5 products that I'm using are a brow pencil, concealer, mascara, a blush and highlight kit, and lip gloss. I'm starting off with my brows, and y'all have seen me do them a million times. Just fill in very lightly and make brow-like strokes. The key, I think, with this look is to definitely not overline because we won't be setting our brows with any type of gel. So when the hairs move out of place, like if you brush them up and then they fall down, you don't want it to be super obvious that you overfilled your brows, if that makes sense. So now I'm using this Rewind concealer by Hailey's Beauty, and I believe this is the shade tan. I don't know, I'll put it in the description, but I'm using this under my eyes, and I love this concealer. It like sets on its own and kind of blurs out your skin without needing any setting powder, which is amazing. You guys obviously don't have to use this concealer specifically, but I feel like using a kind of matte concealer is better than using anything creamy because creamy tends to crease, and since we're not setting our makeup, then you know, it's just not really ideal. And the key here is to use a shade that's either the same tone as you or a shade lighter than you. You don't want to go any lighter than that because since we're not having like foundation to blend it into, anything super light is not going to look natural. It's not going to blend out correctly. So just stick to something very close to your skin tone for underneath your eyes. And I'm using this beauty blender by e.l.f. It is honestly the best beauty blender I've used in my life so far, so I will link it. And I'm just blending out the makeup. Now I'm using a darker shade around my mouth, and you guys, this is optional. I know you probably will be like, well, you're using more than 5 products because you're using 2 concealers, but The one for under my eyes was just a little too light for around my mouth because that area of my face is darker than the rest of my face, kind of significantly. So I did need to use a different color, but you guys don't have to. So I'm using this really cool concealer brush. I love it. It's by e.l.f. as well, and it just makes your concealer go on so perfect and easy, and I just feel like a professional using it. Also very affordable, so I will have both of those items or tools listed down below. So again, I'm using a concealer that's the same skin tone as me, and I'm blending that, or kind of like spot treating the pimples on my face. So I'm just, obviously you guys know it doesn't cover up acne. Makeup doesn't do that. It just covers up the redness, and I've been messing with mine, so mine are pretty red, and my skin's just been retaliating against me the past month. I got it kind of under control now, but in this video I was breaking out a little bit. But yeah, I'm just spot treating like I said, and blending that out with my finger so that I get the most coverage as possible. Now I'm using a blush from this cute little duo palette. It's from e.l.f. and it has a blush and a highlight, so I'm kind of cheating because it's 2 in 1. But y'all know I can't live without a little inner corner highlight, so I had to use a highlighter. And I feel like this is the perfect way to kind of get more products out of one, because it's only $3 and you get a blush and a highlight. And I really love these. The shades that they have are really pretty, so if you guys are interested, I will have it linked. I got it from Target and it is by e.l.f. So I'm putting that on the high points of my cheeks, and then I'm putting that all over my face to blend any concealer that didn't blend. And now I'm putting my inner corner highlight, and this just makes my eyes look awake and open, and it's just really pretty. I literally do this all the time. So now I'm going in with mascara, and I used to use this one in middle school and I really loved it, so I kind of went back to it because I just haven't been liking my mascaras recently. So I've seen people do this challenge and they had lash extensions, so they didn't need mascara, and that's fine because then you're able to use like another product. But for us girls who don't always have extensions or don't like them, or you know, are allergic to them, we have to include mascara. And I didn't get the mascara off my eyelids because I didn't notice it was there, but if you get mascara on your eyelids, just let it dry and then use a Q-tip to rub it off. And now we're keeping it cute and simple with some lip oil. I love this lip oil. I talk about it all the time. It's literally beautiful and moisturizing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. A very simple, super easy, quick, and healthy look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is truly the easiest makeup I've ever done. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.